In contrast to 100 other enteroviruses, this one, D68, is vulnerable to two things. If your child has asthma, I would suggest monitoring them very closely. And since they might not wheeze, I suggest using a peak flow meter. This is an inexpensive, portable, simple device. You just blow into it really hard and you get a readout of how their airways are functioning. It's green, yellow, red. It tells you just how concerned to be. Now, while there is no vaccine for this, and while there is no known treatment for this, laboratory studies have shown two things that can disable this virus. In contrast to 100 other enteroviruses, this one, D68, is vulnerable to two things. The first is acidity, a pH of 3. So just a squeeze of lemon or a spray of apple cider vinegar is more than acidic enough to be able to disable this virus. And even common fruits like blueberries and apples have enough acid that could make a difference. So I suggest having fruit at every meal to get acidity into the back of the throat just briefly. The other thing that it's sensitive to is warmth. Any temperature above 98.6 is very difficult for this virus to thrive. So I suggest soups and warm liquids. And if your child does get a fever, I wouldn't be in a rush to try to bring it down. It might just be their body trying to raise the temperature to get rid of the virus.